Well, yo guys, let's ask ourselves some questions. Lela, come.
Yes.
Ulisema unapenda viatu zangu gani? The flat ama the heels?
The heels.
Why? You don't like me wearing flat shoes?
I just don't know.
Why? Why do you love heels?
I don't know.
You don't know. So
Yes.
so navaa kiatu size
41 ama 40.
si 39.
Hata 39 si ziko tatu.
Oh, ziko tatu. So viatu zangu they have different sizes.
Yes.
And then you said which is my favorite color?
Blue.
Blue.
Yes, that other day they said it is blue.
Oh, blue. Actually, guys, blue is my favorite color. And another thing, when you grow up, what do you want to become? Let's see.
Actor.
An actor.
Yes.
So you are going to act.
Yes.
Wow. So you should start practicing acting now.
Yes.
So guys, that's why we opened this YouTube channel. Loyola wants to be an actor, and I thought tuanze tu ku practice tu pole pole tu confidence hapa pale 1 2 3 skills, and then we are going to go. So subscribe, don't forget to share, like, and leave a comment.
Mwah!